Most traders think their problem is strategy, but the real problem is biology. Your brain is wired for survival, not for trading. It sees losses as threats, uncertainty as danger, and fast money as a reward. That's why you revenge trade, overtrade, and break your rules again and again. In this video, you'll learn how to rewire your brain so discipline becomes automatic, not forced. No more arguing with yourself. No more, "I'll start tomorrow." By the end, you'll have a clear system to build real trading discipline that lasts.
Discipline isn't about pushing harder. It's about who you believe you are. When you rely on willpower, your brain uses the prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for impulse control. But this part fatigues quickly. After a few losses, after hours of staring at charts, it shuts down. That's when the limbic system takes over, the emotional survival brain. It says, take this trade, chase that move, revenge this loss. This is called decision fatigue, and it's why your discipline disappears later in the day. The solution isn't more willpower. It's system design that protects you from yourself.
Your brain treats trading like a slot machine. Every time you see a move, every time you enter a trade, dopamine spikes. You're not trading for profit. You're trading for excitement. This is the dopamine trap. You crave the rush of action. You chase entries out of boredom. You overtrade because something must happen. But profitable trading should be boring. The real edge isn't excitement. It's calm execution. To rewire your brain, you must track dopamine, not just P&L. Ask yourself, am I taking this trade because it's in my plan or because I want to feel something?
Every time you revenge trade, every time you move your stop, your brain learns, this behavior is normal. This is how I trade. That's emotional conditioning. You're literally training your brain to fail. The fix is simple but painful. You must break the leap every single time. No revenge trades, no moving stops, no breaking rules. Every time you follow your plan, even when it hurts, you're rewiring your brain for discipline. Discipline is a muscle. It grows when you use it, not when you talk about it.
Discipline starts before you even open a trade. It starts with pre-market planning. Write down your setup criteria, your max loss per day, your max trades per day, your exit rules. When your brain has a clear structure, it doesn't need to guess. Guessing creates stress. Stress creates impulses. Impulses create losses. A simple rule that saves accounts: 1 loss per day. After that, you're done. This protects you from the worst behavior, tilt.
Most traders journal only P&L, but the real journal is emotional. After every trade, write, how did I feel before the trade? Did I follow my plan? What emotion drove me? Fear, greed, boredom, FOMO. What would I do differently? Over time, you'll see patterns. I always overtrade after 2 p.m.
I revenge trade after a loss before lunch. I break rules when I'm tired. When you see the pattern, you can break it. That's how you rewire your brain.
Real discipline isn't something you do. It's something you are. If you still have to argue with yourself to follow your plan, your subconscious isn't aligned. You're still telling yourself, I'm the kind of person who breaks rules sometimes. You must upgrade your identity. I am the kind of trader who follows my plan. I am the kind of trader who protects capital. I am the kind of trader who waits for high probability setups. Every time you follow your rules, you're casting a vote for this new identity. Over time, your subconscious catches up, and discipline becomes effortless.
Here's the final shift. Make discipline the reward. Instead of rewarding yourself with profit, reward yourself with following the process. I followed my plan today. That's the win. I didn't revenge trade. That's the win. I skipped a bad setup. That's the win. When your brain starts associating discipline with pride, you stop fighting yourself. You start wanting to be disciplined. That's when you become the Sigma trader. Calm, process-focused, unemotional, ready to trade for years, not weeks. If you want to rewire your brain for trading discipline, save this video. Write your pre-market plan tonight. Start journaling your emotions, not just your P&L. Subscribe to the Sigma Trader for more trading psychology, dark psychology, and mindset content. Next video, I'll break down revenge trading and the dark psychology behind it. Until then, protect your capital, respect your rules, and trade like a Sigma.